Hello and Assalamualaikum. In this project, we want to have smarter monitoring practice with guidance of AI and faster monitoring and easier analysis in the wildfire area. This is fire detection integration in mapping and searching mode. In this test, we represent the wildfire area with a blue color. We set the altitude of the drone to be 20-meter high for this test. And when the drone is stable conditions, we will start the searching mode. During this mode, the drone continuously looking for the fire. After the drone detects the fire, the drone will switch into mapping mode. In mapping mode, the drone will move above the fire boundaries and then send the GPS coordinates in the same times to our database. This coordinate will be presented in our output dashboard. This is what that will be shown by our output dashboard. You can see here the cover area is 19.5 square meter, which the value is close to the real area of the blue color. Next, we continue our test with victim detection AI integration with victim pinpoint mode. In this test, we set the altitude for the drone to fly to be 20 meter. In this test, we set the altitude of the drone to be 20 meter. After the drone reaches stable conditions, they will start taking the footage of the area below it and then start analyzing the footage. When there is a victim under the drone, which be represented by our team member here, the drone using the victim detection AI will directly detect the victims, and then the GPS coordinate of the victim will be sent to the database and be shown in our output dashboard. Dashboard, we can see the victim location has been pinpointed and the victim count has been updated. In conclusion, in this test, we are able to implement an efficient and data-driven monitoring practice for wildfire mitigations. It was also found that the post-analysis presentation from output dashboard will reduce the time taken for situational analysis during the wildfire incident. And lastly, it was proof that this system is reliable and can be applied in real scenario. And then lastly, this is a drone that we use for the testing. We install Raspberry Pi 5 with Pi camera module 3 to capture the footage.